Mandela Day will not be a holiday, but a day devoted to service.
It's about time we rise up and we get to be a bit selfless.
Nelson Mandela Day, I'm working with an NGO from my community.
Go help in a homeless shelter, that'd be nice.
It is our hope that people will dedicate their time and effort to improve the conditions within their own community.
Madiba started the change. Now it's time to play your part.
Monte Casino in Johannesburg was abuzz with activities when members of the media, NGOs and representatives of the Mandela family came to bid farewell to the Bikers for Mandela Day. Nelson Mandela Foundation CEO Ahmed Dango explains the significance of the Nelson Mandela Day.
What does Nelson Mandela International Day mean? In South Africa, we simply call it Mandela Day. It's an opportunity for people to come together, to take some responsibility as individuals and begin to change the world around them for the better. We seem to have the belief that only governments can do things for us. Well, this doesn't happen anywhere in the world. Governments by themselves cannot change a country like this. It doesn't happen in the United States or in the UK or any developed country.
Mandela Day was launched on former President Nelson Mandela's 91st birthday as a call of action to everyone everywhere to take 67 minutes of their time to help make the world a better place. This saw the formation of Bikers for Mandela Day last year, which attracted people such as American actor Morgan Freeman. Former President Nelson Mandela's executive assistant, Zelda Lagrange, and 5FM's DJ Fresh have joined the Bikers this year.
I think people shouldn't treat the 67 minutes for Mandela literally. 67 minutes is saying, at the very barest minimum, give 67 minutes. But if you're able to give more than 67 minutes, if you're able to give 67 minutes every day, if you're able to give 67,000 books to school kids, then do that. Don't stick just to 67 minutes. Let the 67 minutes be a mere inspiration. But amplify it where you can, when you can.
During their 8-day trip, the Bikers will visit the memorial site of the late Mozambican president, Samora Machel, in Nelspruit after traveling through Swaziland. Machel's widow and Nelson Mandela's wife, Graça Machel.
This is a very creative initiative of celebrating the Mandela Day. The opportunity which is given to any one of us, and to take your own initiative to say, how do I feel to reach out to somebody next to me for a while, change a life, and make someone smile, make someone feel valued.
The Bikers also have a vet on board, Cobus van der Merwe, to help communities with animal care.
Apart from the people, the animals also need some attention. We approached a couple of sponsors, Bayer and the IDC, and then we'll focus mainly on transfer of knowledge to the people, how to look after the animals and to take care of them, especially with regards to endo and ectoparasites.
The Bikers will end their journey at the Royal Elephant Hotel in Pretoria on Monday, which will be Mandela's birthday and his 13th anniversary with Machel. The Bikers can be followed on Twitter and Facebook. For SABC Radio News, I'm Horisani Sithole in Johannesburg.